Welcome to our very first reaction of ourselves. Which we're just going to be reacting to us playing Nerf Gun Wars.
Nerf Gun Wars. I had the video camera this time, and wait, video camera? Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're not playing Minecraft.
Nope, we are doing Nerf Gun
Wars.
Alright, we get to see firsthand Nerf Gun Battle War, Mason versus his dad, and it's going to be from Dad's perspective.
Yes.
You guys ready? Here we go.
Okay, so Mason's hiding, and I'm going to try to find him and get him before he gets me.
Where do I go?
So what we do is one person starts outside, the other person's inside, and they have to go in and attack. And we each get about, what, 7 rounds or so?
Yeah.
But one hit means you're out.
I could hear myself go, where do I go? Definitely I also said it to make it a bit more clear. Because, yeah. It's quite
I don't know what I'm planning here, like I'm gonna hop the fence or something, like I'm all like Superman. It's like, oh, I'm listening.
What if he's locking the door?
Back there. Our neighbors are probably wondering like what's going on. There's some dude walking out with a gun. Okay, so I'm gonna try the side door. This is the door that we rarely use in the house.
You always told me never to do it.
Did you see the bird poop on there? And it barely opens. That's as much as it opens. Okay, so I got it. That's really scary because
okay,
get the dryer there. You could have been in the garage.
Yeah. Okay.
He's in the shower. It's a horrible spot for him.
Okay, he says that it's not a good spot.
Ow! Right in the head.
Oh jeez! He popped out and shot me. Did you see that?
Because I shot and ran.
Here we go.
Pew!
Here's another.
It's a horrible spot for him.
Okay, that should explain.
Boom! The shot comes.
You could only see
Oh,
it.
you barely caught it.
You could literally see it.
I could see your gun poke around the corner.
Yes.
I literally took a shot and ran.
It was a really good shot, apparently.
I saw you. I tried shooting.
It was so scary.
I literally ran. I didn't even try to hit you.
I just
I
ran.
didn't try to hit you. I just shot you right in the face.
I wasn't pointing.
Alright, round 2. I start inside. Mason's outside. I couldn't tell you how scary this house is. There's so many corners. There's so many places someone could just pop out. Like it's actually really nerve-wracking.
Okay. There's I saw your computer. Okay. Let's see.
I think there's a hostage in this one. There she is. It's Kenley hostage wearing a swimsuit. It almost looked like there were no pants there. That was weird. She was wearing pants, right?
I
Go
think.
hide over there.
Yeah, I know she did.
Okay.
Go hide behind the wall.
I'm trying to get her to hide so she didn't get shot. Oh, you must have just come in. Oh, I just took a shot there. Did you see that? You have to reload every time. Did I get you? Oh, I just got you.
Yeah.
Check it out.
I forgot to reload.
Oh no.
So remember the last
Oh,
shot?
there it is.
I would have definitely shot you after 5 seconds.
Yeah.
I forgot to do this.
You forgot to do that. So you took one shot and you forgot to reload?
Yes.
Oh,
So that was
man.
last round, and I completely forgot after that. That's why.
We should get some that are like
that.
full auto.
Yeah.
Do they make Nerf guns that are full auto?
I'm not sure, but that would
be a lot
honestly
of
be
fun.
cool.
Okay, so I'm outside this time. Make sure you're not out.
Okay, there's the debris. There's my shovel.
There's a lot of
There's
junk
some
out everywhere.
boots. There is that rake that we threw out because it was drawn on, and yeah.
So I'm thinking about going through the garage. And I'm like, maybe I'll go down the hallway. That hallway, there's nowhere. There's no cover.
Ugh.
Can be really quiet with the door.
Okay.
Taking a look.
I'm pretty sure I heard you, so I
Oh, I'm
ran
sure.
away. I ran away as fast as possible. I knew you were coming.
Okay, there's the hallway of death.
So then I went into the bathroom, I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure I went into the bathroom.
I think this is the one where you're shooting at me from the dryer, maybe.
Ooh, that
This is
could
the
be
washer
it.
and dryer.
I've done that a couple times. Definitely, I've done it a couple times. I'm not sure.
Is this where you pop in through the? Let's
Okay,
take a
so
look. Let's
basically
see.
that area right there.
You could have come through that door and just shot me right now.
No, that was off limits, remember?
Oh, it was Cora
Cora
sleeping?
was sleeping.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
we were
No
allowed
wonder.
to.
Otherwise, I would have been a little worried about that. Okay, that door's open. Oh,
I
see?
saw me.
Whoa,
I
whoa.
saw me.
Oh, did
I
you
saw
see?
me.
Did you
yes,
see?
I saw
There it
like
is.
my knee or my elbow or something out. Something was out there.
Let's check it out.
Right
There you are, right there. Just a little glimpse. That's probably why I was hesitating, because I'm like, wait, I know that someone's here. There you are. There you Oh my gosh, look how much it's sticking out. You're like,
Okay, I wasn't.
no one can see me here.
Well, from one angle, you can't.
I got
see
you,
me.
because
Over there.
I'm
definitely.
watching
I
it.
wasn't supposed to. I made sure everything was.
So I don't know if you know that I'm there, but there's your head.
I saw you.
Oh, dude, you got me. You got me. Oh, let's.
So I went like.
There, I should have had a shot on you, right? Your head's popping out. I should have easily had a shot on you. And then, boom. What technique was that?
I was smiling too.
You smiled too. What technique is that? How did you shoot me? You got me right there, and then the camera ends.
Yeah.
All right.
That was a good
It's
round.
time for me to
Okay,
get some revenge.
there was Kinley the hostage that she just ran out.
All right, so last round,
Okay.
I'm inside the house. Mason is outside, coming into attack.
So you said this is the last round. There's
Yeah,
like 5 minutes.
this one was
left.
kind of a long one.
Yeah, this was our longest one, so we were gonna have a lot of it.
But we chased each other around for a bit.
Yes,
so
we did.
It should be fun to watch.
I'm pretty sure we went outside a couple times.
I think so.
I remember
I was
that.
all over the place.
I know something that I love. Okay.
All right. Doorbell. The thing is scary in real life.
No. It's scary. Not just in Nerf Wars.
Ding dong. Ding dong.
There's a ding dong. Yeah, it's called a diversion. Trying to get me to go up front.
Okay. So basically, you'll see soon. So right now I'm outside.
Okay, now there's 2 doorbells.
I'm outside.
Mason.
I'm outside,
He's
and then I see you with your gun out, just like about to shoot me or something. I was scared. I was too scared.
I'm just hoping you come down that hallway.
Then, basically, what happens is, I think I head back. So that he never knew because I made sure. Oh wait, no, or
There's more sounds. I'm like, maybe you did come through the front door. I keep thinking you're just gonna run around the
no,
back
that
and
was
get in.
Cora or Kinley.
No, the door's open
Oh
now.
my,
Was that you?
I think so.
I feel like someone just came in the house. Like I'm saying, like, there's so many spots
so
here. Like you could be on the
scary.
stairs, you could be behind the couch, you could be like in the kitchen area
I
there,
think
behind that
so
wall.
basically I could.
So Kelly is
I saw
outside.
Kinley, I saw
Okay,
Kinley,
so
yeah.
maybe that's what it was.
Oh wait, I'm pretty sure.
There you are. There you are. I just shot at you. Did you see that?
Yeah, I ducked, and then I
Watch.
missed.
You come out. You can see
Yeah.
the ball flying through the air. Boom! Right
You
there.
saw-
Did I hit you? I had to have hit you, right?
Look. See?
Look,
Watch.
we gotta get a
watch.
closer look.
Okay, so watch me. See? So then I
Did it just
ducked.
fly over your shoulder?
I ducked. So then it went flying right underneath. It was really cool. I literally only had seconds to realize. Like, I saw the ball, I froze
like-
it in time, then wham. I took that picture in my head, still have that. I was like,
Where did you go? Where did you go?
well, actually, I just saw you. I saw you, and I ducked because I didn't want you to shoot me. If I saw you were about to shoot me, I would have.
I'm like,
went up.
okay, this door. Which one do I cover? Where are you gonna pop out from?
Just head there. I'm pretty sure I come from there, or I come from behind you. No, I definitely come from behind, or I come from my favorite little spot.
It's Kenley.
put your goggles
She keeps
on.
taking her goggles off.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I heard some people. La 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 la. I'm gonna go find Mason
Kenley,
outside.
get down. Kenley, you have to put your goggles on.
She just runs around. She's the worst hostage ever. Oh, how did I miss that shot too? Seriously.
So basically, I saw you. I ducked again.
So are you? Oh, there you are. Oh, that was a horrible shot. Did you see that?
Oh my! Okay, I know what happened. So basically, it hit that little area. If not for that, it could have slivered this way. If it hit this side, it hit this side instead. If it hit the behind of it, it would have hit me. If it hit here, then there.
We have a lot to analyze here because I took 2 horrible shots at you. Okay,
oh, really? 2?
First of all, yeah, I missed you. Look at you. You're running through the door, and then shot, and I didn't hit you, and then I reload, and it's like, okay, so I have another shot at you, and what do? You're right there. You're like in plain view, and where do I hit? I hit the door frame to the right of you.
I know. It was hilarious. Okay, I saw that.
That was a horrible shot.
Then you run away.
But then Kenley goes and picks up all the rounds.
I can't hurt her because I'm not supposed to, right? I'm not allowed to hurt the hostage.
Well, she was supposed to be the hostage, but then she kind of just runs around and does what she wants. So every time I go around a corner, Kenley's there. I swear. It's like
I never went with Kenley. Wanna know why I never found you? Because I always avoided Kenley.
Well, Kenley told me where you were one of the times.
Yes, I know that's when I never.
Probably should have shot her after that.
Yeah, I probably should have. Next time she does that, I'm shooting her whenever I can.
I tell her to stay with me and stay safe, and she doesn't listen.
Keep that. Hold on to that.
Where did you go?
Vacuum and one by the towel. Go grab those for me.
I'm sending her out to go collect the rounds so I can reload. I don't want to go out there. I don't want to get shot. But hey, 4-year-old, why don't you go out and get them?
You're like 30? 32? I don't know. But you're too scared to get shot.
She didn't even grab it though. It's still on the ground by the towel.
I know.
Like, come on.
Like after that,
I did actually.
I'm pretty sure we talked about it.
I know I did have to reload somewhere in here.
Yes. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm outside. Still.
Yeah, the door's open. I mean, you could be anywhere.
I used my tactics outside. Most of my time, I spent it outside.
I'm checking outside right now.
Okay, I'm pretty sure.
Like I can't shoot through the window, but
I'm pretty sure at one moment he looked out there, and then I was seen running away. I'm pretty sure. Oh! Okay, that was a close one. That was a close one.
See how fast I jumped over the.
Was that Kenley?
No, that was you.
Oh, that was me. Then it's like.
So you're back outside. I'm like, okay.
It's like I disappeared once.
Oh, I can see you. I can see through the reflection there. Another shot.
Then I look at the very bottom. Down.
I'm done. I'm like, I'm just gonna take you out. But you're already gone. You're so fast.
I ran as fast as possible.
So
it's like I disappear immediately.
You do. You're such a ninja.
It's like
I'm like, okay, no garage. You're not through the back. You're not through the garage. So okay, this is where I ended up reloading. I just the gun down so I can reload real quick. We shot so many rounds. I'm like, I wonder if you ran out. Is that how I won? Because I'm pretty sure I won this one. Gosh, every time she just runs right in front of me. I'm like, don't shoot. It's the hostage.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
I should just go outside and hunt you. Oh, there you are.
I won.
Oh, in the stomach.
We were right next to each other, but you.
Who got the shot off?
It was me because you said that you got hit in the stomach.
Oh, in the stomach.
You did. You just raised it real quick.
You guys are.
I gotta.
Okay. Where's that?
Jeez. So scary. Alright guys, that was Nerf Wars. We're going to be bringing more. If you guys love these videos, give us a thumbs up, and we'll keep bringing you some more Nerf gun wars. And what we'll do, we should get another gun and get Caitlin involved too. Get some more ski goggles on, or I don't know. We'll figure something out. Maybe we should get the clear ones so we can actually see inside.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye guys.